Phasal Diporo Saltham bagwi Hasteo Phaiwi SokphaikhaHakotorni DoNER Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, MBB Birkhung Khola Thangwi Bono Lamjaksokha BJP ni Haste Tangphang Bipin Debbarma. Shukango zora khazak tongmani haige Phasal Diporo Saltham bagwi Hasteo Phaiwi SokphaikhaHakotorni DoNER Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. Hakotorni DoNER Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia Tripura Hasteo Phaiwi na harmung ongkha. Saltham bai amsini shukangmungni bagwi koklam salainani tei dalbidal DoNER projects ni foundation ustun fiogiranani. Phasal MBB Birkhung Khola Thangwi Bono Lamjaksokha BJP ni Haste Tangphang Bipin Debbarma khobi kubon osamarok.
Lamjaksokha jotno Chini Khorang ni mangplibo angrok ni logi Nelson Debbarma norok jotno na khabe khobi Lamjaksokha Chini Khorang ni mangplibo. Jengtau Phaisok pajak rajakhor agulini Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport. Tai jotno na Chini Khorang ni bikhaktei tongthok Saraswati Puja ni bagi bahaino khaka hamya pharo. Jengtini oro rajakhor aguliu phaikya Chini Bir Bikram Airport tamningangke Ministry of DoNER hai Ministry of Communication of India Sir Jyotiraditya Scindia bo fight tongo Delhi ni simi airport bo agino kasajak bo lamrajak airport ni simi fight tongo tabo rajakhor aguli ni MBB airport around 2:50 PM bo oro land khai pane aboni bagi chung bono lamsungnan bagi Phaisok baja Chini Khorang ni team tai oma hakino dalbidal yango kemua Tripura ni joto cabinet ministers hai ke joto high level officers so Phaisok baja bono lamsungnan bagi Botini rajakhor aguliu phaimani ngangke just for one day ni bagya 3 din ni tor tongo bini Tripura Haste ni kereng thayo thangi bo visit khlaine puilano bo Phaisok pane rajakhor aguli ni hotel polo tower srapsa bathangmani yagulo bo Tripura ni dental medical college hai ke oma dalbidal medical department o thang visit khlaine abuni yagulo Ravindra Babu no kaisa program tongo ar thanginai ara jaga bahaino DoNER ministry ni ba DoNER ni new projects katal developmental northeast and katal developmental project rongno bo ar thangi foundation stone lay khlainai abun yagol bahaino omo tine salchani program mangnai abun yagole bo thangnai North Tripura district go hai kabo Unukuti district go thangnai aing thamani yagolo bo ara kaisa agarwood ni kaisa katal project cloja tong ar jaga thangi bo ar jaga bahaini inauguration khlaijaginai abun yagolo bini another schedule tongnai bo Unukuti district go thangai haino Unukuti ni heritage kaisa jagao thangi aro bo thangi bo visit khlainai arni yagulo bo bine third day visit tongnai abong gange dumbur hai ko narekal kunjowa aro bo thangi stay khainai ara jaga thangman yagul bahaino north east ni kema development project ni katal foundation stone lay khlainai abon yagulo dumbur ni yagulo haine heta skipli Udaipur phai Mata Tripureshwari temple phaine ara jaga bo blessings nawi a jaga ni pore bo paithak haine raja ko agule phamni yagulo paithok bo Guwahati ni bagi lamrnai Guwahati o thangi bahaino ara jaga bine kema tai dalbidal program ta schedule tongo habuni bagai sengtau Phaisok be seng sai tongnai nor Haste nai tong lukorong jotno seng chini je mansak seng chini sengmung tongmorong no seng bo bai sengai koklam salaimana nengthang nei seng khakhayo ambagai nor choywi nai tongni Chini Khorang
Hasteo Phaiwi logi no Phasal Sarigo program bhono kaisa pantani bisingti 574.2 crore rangni kaidok DoNER projects ni virtual inauguration te foundation stone fiogiranai Apanda Omansani Hasni Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shahade Hasni Jing Feragde Hubar Bereni Montri Ratonal Nat Phasal AGMC ni Maternal and Child Well Wing Hakotor Hapani Fund Managed Namsakmani Government Dental College Implementation Berenai Hakotorni DoNER Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia Abahakino Charshala North Tripura Hankoni Kadamtala Amseo 78.53 crore rangni agarwood projects fiogiranai Jyotiraditya Scindia
आप लोग ठीक हो? Yeah. All well? Good to see you all once again in Tripura. It's always a pleasure to be back in, if I may use the term, my state, because Tripura has a special relationship with the Scindia family. As I mentioned to you all last time, my aunt Maharani Padmaraje was married to former Maharaja of Tripura, and therefore this is a land with which I feel a very, very strong bonding from the heart. Chief Minister Manik Saha Sahab has always been very cooperative, very visionary, very forward-thinking and very determined in his endeavors to bring about all-round development of the state. I am very fortunate to have the opportunity to be working with him. I come to Tripura today not empty-handed, but the Prime Minister's resolve of bringing all-round development to Ashtalakshmi, our 8 states in the northeast, the 7 sisters and Sikkim. And as part of that initiative, I come today with almost 540 crores worth of development projects. 220 crores odd. We will be doing the function shortly in the next hour or so. 3 foundation stones and 3 inaugurations of roads, health services, tourism services, power services, contributed by the Government of India for the state of Tripura. Tomorrow I go to Dumbur, where along with the Chief Minister we will be laying the foundation stone of a very, very ambitious tourism circuit. Mata Sundari, Mata Bari tourism circuit for about close to about 250 to 70 crores. And therefore I will also be doing darshan later tonight. And therefore the whole imperative is to make sure that we cover all frontiers. We are also doing a special project for agarwood, a pilot project for agarwood, which is in many ways liquid gold today. And this is a project that we have conceived at the DoNER ministry for both Assam and Tripura. Chief Minister and I have been working very assiduously on this project as well. So the pilot project will be flagged off for agarwood. And so therefore we are looking at a whole area of initiatives, from agarwood to tourism to health to power to infrastructure for Tripura. I look forward to by next 3 days here in Tripura and in Assam, and look forward to being a partner in the journey of development and progress as envisioned by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Thank you.
Aboni aglo paithak salkok de salo narikal kunjo tonglai Jyotiraditya Scindia. Aro tourism ni kasa project katalni foundation stone fiegerani koktongo. Aboni bagai matabari 276.78 crore rangni tourism circuit project sing sawiranai. Hakotorni DoNER Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. Raja Khorang ni shiminel Chini logio omide shalsani kokthum Chini Khorang.